Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Marvel Rivals error code 113. The error message reads, "Avatar in the game is being destroyed." This error occurs when players try to launch the game but are unable to progress further. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a server-side issue or temporary interruptions affecting the game's connection. First, we suggest you restart your gaming device and router. Simply shut down your PC or console completely. Then unplug your router from the power source. Then wait for 5 minutes, then restart both devices. Then try launching the game again and check if the error still comes up. If the error persists, then check if the game has pending updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the game. Then check if the error persists. If the error still occurs, the issue is likely server-related. So wait for some time and try again later. Meanwhile, check the Marvel Rivals Discord server for updates on server outages or maintenance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.